Assalamu alaikum, dear my friend. I hope all are you very good. I am very fine, and you can see many trees, and you can see also flower in this tree, and very nice flower you can see, and there are many trees in this row you can see, and this is a small canal you can see, and beside the canal you can see large place you can see, and you can see this is paddy land and green paddy land, and this is house and amon paddy, and near you can see jute land you can see. Surrounding place actually very fine you can see. Before evening uh, you can enjoy this nature, and you can see also the sun, and there are many woodland you can see here. Actually it is very fine. uh, if you go to nature, if you go to open place, at that time your mind actually refresh. William Wordsworth said nature has a healing power. So if we love nature, so we can find a peace from nature. And this is the opposite side of the road you can see, and you can see this small boat, and a few people sit in the small boat, and this is another side of this road you can see. Fine Greenland you can see. This is a muddy road you can see, and both sides of this road you can see many trees. It is very important for our life, so we should plant many trees. Okay, Allah Hafiz.